Hello friends, welcome. We'll learn about JSON string and how we can integrate into our Tkinter application. For that, we'll develop a JSON viewer. So in a Tkinter application, we'll connect to a JSON file and then see all the parent and child nodes, whatever. So for that purpose, we'll be using a Treeview for that and explore the different nodes and see the data inside it. Now this we are doing it because in future also next tutorial we will also see how this JSON data can be used for site settings and all. Before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Let's try to learn the script. We are in our Visual Studio Code. This is the source code. I will tell you also how to copy or download the entire source code into your local system. So here it is. You can just, let's first run this and see, here it is. So there is a button to load JSON file. So it is only pick up it's a file dialog of Tkinter which we are frequently using to pick up the files and all. So here is two data by default, because earlier I have opened it, it comes here. Otherwise I can browse to any other location and I can pick up any other file. So let me just go back and come here again. Here is my student JSON file. You can download this sample file also. Now you can see all the nodes are set because student ID wise the parent node is there. So it's displayed. Now I can expand it, click the particular subnode. So I can see the details. Now similarly, let me just go, what's the child node? These are all child nodes. So accordingly, whatever I am expanding, and I can collapse it also. So this is how the viewer works. Now let's just try to understand the code a bit. The first one, load JSON file. When I click the button, this points to the local file system and take me to the JSON file. I can browse and change the location also. Now when the file is there opened, if the means user have not. So this if condition takes care that the file dialog box is not cancelled. Then in that case, this is open and load the file, because this data file is stored here, file path. So that I am taking it, and with open as file, load the data. So JSON data is loaded. Below that it's just find out whether the subnode is there or not. This particular part loop through, this for loop is for that. Loop through and expand it and collapse it accordingly. And below that you can just see this is the Tkinter window also, JSON viewer. You can just see this, and then this is the simple tree view. You just see the tree view, our headings are configured because this is the child and parent node that what I am using it in, that is the format we are using. So it is given to pack. Now it is layout is over. The one scroll bar, if your more records are there, the scroll bar is added. That's all, and little bit used for the tag coloring in your source code, whatever you will copy now. So that the coloring part is not there. It is optional. If you want to different nodes to be in different colors, this part can be added. So here is at the end, it is the JSON one to browse and open the file browser. This is there. So this button, whichever what you have seen. Visit this URL, this is there in the description, and you can read the entire content about how this viewer is created, all the code breakdowns, libraries required, loading of JSON file, how it is displayed, and the main application window where in the Tkinter based. So and here the entire code you can copy. So this code is here, you can just copy this. And if you want to learn more about the basics of JSON, what is JSON and all, you can just click these links. So here it is there, you can just read this. This is what is JSON, the JavaScript object notation, and all details are here available. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and we'll also extend this JSON study to more tutorials where we will be developing site settings and use it for updating the site parameters. So that you will learn next. So if you have any idea, suggestion, doubt, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.